So good morning, everyone. Let me get closer so we're both in focus. Welcome back to my channel. We got a super exciting video today.
Yay!
We're going to be moving my dad into the new house that I bought him. Yay! Okay, so we're gonna be doing a little house tour. You're gonna meet some of my family. Really excited. And yeah, so come along with us. But before we get started, be sure to please like and
hit the bell.
Close. Subscribe. But also hit the bell. There's a bell, I think, over there or down here. Somewhere over there. Okay, we got our coffees. We're ready to go. Ready? Let's go. So we just went to, I have a spider web on me somewhere. We just went to go get in the car and it's like raining. That is not gonna make for a super good, easy moving day, but sunshine spirits. We got it. We are heading to get some bagels because I'm hungry and other people might be hungry too, so we're just gonna bring some bagels to moving day. So we got the bagels, but then we had to go home and get jackets because it is way too rainy and I don't want to just be soaked in a t-shirt all day and help me move. Okay, but now we're actually heading out, so okay, here we go. This is the beautiful house that I bought my parents. Hi guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick little house tour of my dad's house. So I bought this house as my first investment property, but obviously my dad got to choose what property he wanted to live in. So this is the living room. If you guys have seen my stories, and I'll include a few videos beforehand of what it used to look like. Trying to take this off. And that took like a few minutes, probably like 2 minutes. And I have about, like 200 more to do. Ugh. This place was like a Disney dream house. Some would say dream house, some would say nightmare, I don't know. But it looks so nice now. We have a working fireplace that I don't think we'll ever use, but it's here. They're cute. And then their big screen will go up here. And then we'll have couches right there. And then this is actually going to be my dad's football room. What I mean is he's a huge like Lakers and Chargers fan, so he's going to get 2 recliners, set them right here. And then he's going to get his 2 TVs, so he can watch both games at the same time. Put them right here. So this is his football room. And then let me show you guys the kitchen. They painted this really pretty like beigey color. Took all the stickers off and repainted the cabinets. There wasn't a ton to do to this place other than like de-Mickey and paint. So this is the kitchen and then this is their little outside area. We're gonna clean it up. Probably like pressure wash and like clean all that up and make it like a cute little patio. And then let me show you guys the rest of the house. Kitchen messy right now. Don't look at the mess. So my stepdad's actually coming right now to replace the toilets and also the air vents, because look at this. That needs to be changed. Yuck. Okay, so this is the cute little bathroom. This is like the guest bathroom. Super cute. Wait, actually, I want to show you. I haven't gotten to this yet, but there's some like leftover Disney stickers. These, I haven't gotten there yet, but I'm going to soon. This is the guest bedroom, or otherwise known as the cat's room. We've started to de-Mickey the house. You can see that this was Mickey Mouse, and we got the head and the hand off, but we're working on it. And then those, that could just stay there. I don't even wanna, can't deal with that. And then this is the master. This is the master bedroom. And we have the toilets getting ready to go in. And then they have this big closet with tons of storage. More Mickeys. So these quotes were everywhere. These quotes were literally everywhere throughout the house, and this is a small one. This is just a little guy. There was like big Disney quotes, like in the living room, in the dining room, on the borders of everything. Haven't gotten to that yet, but I'll get there soon. So come in the bathroom. Replacing the toilet, replacing this air vent thing. Other than that, like, it's a nice bathroom. There's just little hidden Mickeys everywhere that I gotta get to. But yeah, and then we're gonna replace the shower, probably the shower doors. But what's actually really crazy is my dad's apartments that he's living in right now. Burnt down like 2 days ago. I'll show you guys 2 apartments down from him, or yeah. So there's his apartment, another apartment, and another apartment, and that apartment caught on fire and like burnt 4 apartments down, and flood damage to the one next to my dad, and then smoke damage to a bunch of the apartments. So we moved up his move-in date. I didn't have time to do a lot of the other stuff, but it's really not that important. We want to get him into a safe house that is going to be very comfortable for them and not smell like smoke. But I'll show you guys the damage over there, because we're actually gonna letting in my stepdad right now to fix the toilets, and then we're gonna head over there and load up his big screen into my SUV, and then also a few like clothes and other stuff. So, ready to go? Let's go. So my family came out here. They're out here doing the plumbing. RPI right there. This is my dad's company. If you guys need an amazing plumber, give them a call. My mom showed up too.
Yes, support.
That's right. I'm so incredibly lucky that I have a full family that actually supports me in all my different business ventures, and they're always super encouraging, and they're out here helping me. So take it down, Mom. Take it down. Take all the Mickey heads. Thank goodness. Come on. I don't hate Mickey Mouse. It's like Mickey Mouse threw up in here. All right, we got the U-Haul here. Got the family here. We're about to move everything in. All right, let's do it. Moving day.
Are you just gonna stand here and watch?
Yeah, I think we should stand and direct and just be like, things should go in that way. Or just take everything in
There's
that
the
way.
door.
There's the door. Take it that way.
You will get a cushion.
There you go.
Perfect.
Good job.
Yes.
There we go. See? There it is. Helping. So just doing the finishing touches, putting new little hardware onto the kitchen drawers. Just gonna put these screws through. I'm sure this is not the way you're supposed to do it, but I do it like this anyways, because guess what? Yep. Oh, so strong, Steven. Show how strong he is. Look at that. Look at those guns. There you go. Woo! That's my brother, Steven. Damn, look at that. Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, nice. Yes. Melinda, what do you got? Oh, what is? Oh, so pretty.
Very nice.
Yes.
And a picture frame with the little nuggets.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
Got couches going in. I'm gonna help assemble these. Tired?
These guys should be tired.
Show you guys real quick. So that's my dad's apartment. There's the one next to him. And then here's the one that's right next to that actually burnt down. See the flames? They came all the way up here. Burnt the top one. It's completely gutted. I can't go in there because it's like closed off, but then the whole back area. Ooh, it smells. It smells like fire. Look at this. Ooh, see? So the fire was so crazy hot that it actually busted the windows of the neighboring apartment building. Can't see anything in there because they boarded it all up. So this is the apartment that my dad's lived in for about 23 years. And I actually used to come over here on the weekends when I was growing up. And so this is what we're moving him out of into the new house. So this is a little 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This is the master. You got kids jumping on the bed. What? Oh, you found the kid?
Found a kitty cat behind.
Oh, let me see.
How do you
Hi,
know?
poo-poos.
How do you know its name?
How do I know its name? That's our kitty cat.
Oh.
That's poo-poos.
Oh.
And then the 1 bathroom. And then this used to be my room. This was my room. This was my brother's room. This was mine and Ben's room. This was Stephen and Cruz's room. This was pretty much everybody lived here at one point or another. What?
The litter box.
Yeah, the litter box. That's got to go with us when the cat goes with us. Kitty cat goes in there. No, she's not in there, but she's got to go in there. That's her like carrier.
Oh yeah.
And then we got to get everything. So we got to take, oh my God, he didn't clean it out. We got to take stuff out of the closet. We got to take stuff off the walls. Yeah, it's not like, can't leave this stuff.
Hey, you wanna go to 7-Eleven?
Memories.
We'll be back. We're just going to 7-Eleven.
Okie dokie pokies.
Come on, Caitlin.
Aww.
I know, we're gonna go to 7-Eleven.
My brothers.
I gotta grab
My grandma.
What are you doing?
Look what I found. It's a
What's that?
painting that I did and a photo that I took of Huntington Beach Pier. Look what I found.
What'd you find? Maybe more of an artist than a musician.
Yeah.
Are you
Oh my
gonna
God,
load
wait,
stuff up,
wait,
or are you
look
just
what I found.
finding
Oh my God.
things?
Do you remember this?
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Okay, wait. I gotta show you guys. Oh my God. I can't believe we found this. Wait. Oh, turn the light
Oh
on.
no.
What? Is it broken? Is it broken? I found an outlet that
What
works.
is it?
It's broken. My stepdad gave me this when I was like 9 or 10, and all these tiny little white things used to light up with different colors at the end of them, and it's broken. I'm so sad. Oh, that's so dirty. I just put it on my face. Look what I found. This was my blanket that my grandma made me, which I'm stealing back from when I was a child. And then the blue one's actually my brother's, but this one's mine, and I'm taking it. It's mine. It's all coming together. If you guys need an amazing plumber, Reed Plumbing Installation, he's amazing, best plumber in Orange County. Give him a call. Piece of mail that came.
Oh, wow.
It's officially over here.
And it's yours.
Yeah, it's actually Linda.
Your first bill.
Yeah, it's a bill.
The party is starting.
Yeah,
Oh, I
Bill's
love you.
getting
Thank
here.
Oh, thank you. So we have done our part for the day, done a few loads back from my dad's house over here. My stepdad just finished installing ceiling fans and the toilets, and it's been a busy day. But Ben and I are now going to go on with our Saturday, and I just wanted to say thank you guys for joining and watching this video that means so much to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys liked, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, Cheri Gang! With tons of storage. Come look. It's in the closet view. Closet view. Anyway.
You need to stop micro-directing me. You can't see what the camera sees.
Okay.
You're the host. I'm the
Okay.
videographer.
Okay.
What else we got in here,
Okay, come
Miss
on,
Anna
in the
Cheri?
bathroom. If y'all didn't know, Ben is the videographer today. If you can't hear him being angry at me,